Okay, so I took the Viking Designer 1 all apart. I took the circuit board out and these buttons. I cleaned everything with isopropyl alcohol. I applied new buttons, the contact points for each of these things. So now when you go forward and you hit the reverse button, it instantly goes back, let go, backward. The fix button, it works. The stop button works. The end of pattern works. Start stop button, that works. The speed, it's going to beep, 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 needle down, needle up. So all these buttons are now working. This one, I didn't replace these because everything was working fine and it was further to take it apart, but everything's working.